Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inza Resti. Today I will be presented about deep structure and surface structure in linguistics. What is deep structure? Deep structure is the basic or initial form of a sentence that reflects its core meaning. It's also known as semantic structure. Before any grammatical rules are applied, it's different from surface structure, which is the sentence we hear or say. Origin of the concept. Introduced by Noam Chomsky, developed in the theory of transformational generative grammar or TGG in the 1950s until 60s. Chomsky distinguishes between first, deep structure is the logical and basic meaning. Second, surface structure is the final form after grammar transformation. The goal is to explain how humans naturally produce and understand language. Example of deep structure. Example 1. Surface. The cake was eaten by the boy. Deep structure. The boy ate the cake. And example 2 or question. Surface. What did you eat? And deep structure. You ate what? The transformation process. From deep to surface structure, transformation refers to the process of changing deep structure into surface structure. Example of transformation we have active passive, statement question, and adding auxiliaries. Next, what is surface structure? Surface structure is the final form of a sentence after going through grammar rules. It's the sentence we actually speak, write, or hear. It's called surface because it appears on the outside, we can see or hear it. Example of surface structure. Example 1. Surface, what did you eat? And deep structure, you ate what? And next, surface, the letter was written by Sarah. And deep structure, Sarah wrote the letter. Features of surface structure. First, it can be seen or heard directly. Second, it has gone through grammar rules like tenses, word order, and etc. And third, it may vary even if the meaning stays the same. The formation process. From deep to surface. First, a sentence starts as a deep structure or basic idea. Second, then it goes through grammatical rules or transformation. And third, the final product is called the surface structure. Conclusion. Deep structure shows the basic meaning of a sentence, while surface structure is the final form we speak or write. Both are important to understand how language works from thought to real expression. Next is 3 diagram for 5 sentences. The first is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Dari diagram pohon ini kita bisa mencari deep structure-nya, yaitu subject NP, the quick brown fox, and fox-nya jumps, prepositional phrase over the lazy dog, and the fox jumps over the dog itu termasuk indicating direction atau location. And second, the girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. The sentence actually comes from 2 separate sentences. Untuk kalimat aslinya itu the girl is dancing, ditambah dengan kalimat the girl is wearing a red dress. Then one sentence is changed into a relative clause who is wearing a red dress to describe the girl. And the third, Zefano saw the Yehezkiela with the telescope. Instrumental interpretation. the telescope atau sound above. Zephano used the telescope to see Yehezkiel. Here the prepositional phrase modifies. The verb phrase modifier of NP, the Yehezkiel with telescope, means Yehezkiel had the telescope. Fourth is the sentence has two parts. First, she believes atau main clause-nya, and the earth is round itu the context of the belief as complement clause. So the structure sentence contain both the person who believe and the idea that is believed. And the fifth, the house where I grew up has been demolished. The sentence forms two parts. First, I grew up in the house, and second, the house has been demolished. Then they are combined with a relative clause, yaitu kalimat where.